Hello, Mr. Jimmy and Den 10 of Pack 424. This is a quick tutorial on what to do if you have a problem with your toilet. Okay, in a house, you're going to have a water supply. It's always going to be on the left side of the toilet if you're facing the toilet, and the pipe will either come out of the wall or it will come from the floor. And you'll have a water supply pipe, which it's typically copper. Some places it still might be galvanized. And this is the shutoff valve, and this is the supply line. And this particular line is a braided stainless steel hose. And you can, when the handle is perpendicular to the valve, the water is shut off. Now the water is on, and we'll take the lid off and show you what happens when you flush the toilet. I happen to have some bricks in my toilet to take up water, to take up space, so I don't use as much water when I flush it. So this is called the trip lever right here. This is the trip lever, and that attaches to the flapper. And so when you press down, that lifts the flapper up. And the water goes through the flush valve, goes and evacuates the bowl. And then the flapper drops down. And this is the fill valve. And this allows the water to come in until this float, the water level, will push the float up till it reaches the set level, and it will stop. So right there you can hear the water stopped. I lifted the float up. I will set it back down, and you can hear the water is going to come in again until it reaches the desired level. You want the water level below this, they call this the fill tube, and you can, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see where the water is about the mark. It's about a ½ inch below the top of this, because you don't want the water to overflow. If it does, you're going to waste water and it will never stop running. Every now and then you can have the chain can get caught up on the trip lever, and it can keep the flapper from seating. And that's really bad if you have a clogged toilet and the water level is rising. In that case, all you do is just put your finger down and shut the flapper. That's how the best way to stop a toilet from overflowing would be to take the lid off and press the flapper down. That would stop the water from coming in from the tank to the bowl. Mr. Jimmy, I hope this helps. Please, I'm going to send it to you. Let me know.